Welcome back. Now we've created our ammo pickup and it's time to start implementing some functionality for it. So let's go back to Visual Studio, and here in ammo.h we need to add some stuff. Namely, the ammo needs an ammo type. And recall that we created this ammo type.h in which we just defined an enum called ammo type. So we're going to need that in ammo.h. So up here at the top, let's include ammo.h. Now remember, in the header files, we always want to add our includes above the .generated.h include. That always needs to be last. So above that, let's do an include, and we're going to include ammo type.h. Now that we have this included, we can add a private variable of this type. So let's go ahead and add that. Let's say ammo type. Now we can go ahead and make this a U property. I'm going to go ahead and make this edit anywhere, blueprint, read, write, category ammo, meta, allow private access. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a comment really quick and say ammo type for the ammo. And since we're going to be potentially accessing this from outside the class, we'll need a getter for this. So let's make force inline ammo type, get ammo type, const return ammo type. So now we have a getter. Now we need to be able to keep track of how much ammo this ammo pickup has, and if you go back to item.h, you'll see that we added an int32 called item count. This is a way to keep track of how much of an item there is. Now, all the way down at the bottom of item.h is our public getters section, and we don't have a get item count. So let's go ahead and add that. This will be force inline, and it's going to return an int32, and we'll call this get item count. It'll be const and it'll simply return item count. And that's how we'll keep track of how much of an item there is. So in the case of ammo, it'll be how much ammo the ammo pickup has. Okay, so now let's talk about what happens when we pick up the ammo. Let's go back to shooterCharacter.cpp, and we have this function called getPickupItem. Now this is called at the end of the item interpolation when we're picking an item up. You'll see it here in item.cpp. If we search for getPickupItem, in finish interping, we cast a character, and if valid, we call the character's getPickupItem function. That's a public function. So here in getPickupItem for the character, we're doing a few things. First, we're seeing if the item has an equip sound, and if so, it plays that sound. Then we cast it to weapon, and if it succeeds, then we swap the weapon. But if it's not a weapon, then this cast will fail and this function does nothing more. We need to actually check to see if it's an ammo. So we can say auto ammo equals cast a ammo item. Now since we're using the a ammo type, we need to include ammo.h at the top here. So let's go all the way up to our includes and include ammo.h. So what do we do in the case that this successfully casts to ammo? Well, in the case of weapon, we have a function called swap weapon. Well, we should create a function to pick up ammo as well. So let's go back into shooterCharacter.h and create a protected function. Here in our protected functions section, let's go ahead and create a new function. It'll be void, and let's call this pickup ammo. Now this is going to take an a ammo, so let's forward declare it in here and say a ammo pointer and just call this ammo. Now we can go ahead and create a function body for this. Here we go. Now let's go back to get pickup item, and right here where we're casting for ammo, let's check to see if this cast is valid, if ammo, and if so, then we can simply call pickup ammo. So pickup ammo. And since it takes a ammo object, we can pass in ammo. And now pickup ammo is all ready to handle picking up the ammo pickup. So what are we going to do in pickup ammo? Well, we have this map for our ammo, which maps ammo type to an ammo count. Let's take a look at that on shooter character. Let's go ahead and search for our tmap. And here it is, it's called ammo map. Now ammo map maps ammo type to int32. We're going to need to change our ammo count for the particular ammo type we're picking up. So back here in pickup ammo, first we need to see if ammo map contains the particular ammo type that we're trying to pick up. So we can check that first. So let's add a comment and say, check to see if ammo map contains ammo's ammo type. And we do that by checking if ammo map.find, and find takes the ammo type, the key. So we need to see what the ammo type is for ammo, and that's going to be ammo get ammo type. So if our ammo map contains the key for the ammo type that our ammo pickup has, then we need to do something. First, let's get the current ammo count for this type that we have in our ammo map. So int32 ammo count, and we'll initialize this to ammo map at the index of ammo get ammo type. So we're taking our ammo pickup, we're getting its ammo type, and then we're indexing the element in our ammo map that has that key. So let's comment this and say get amount of ammo in our ammo map for ammo's type. Now we have that number, we're going to add to that. So ammo count plus equals, and now we need to get the amount of ammo on our pickup. So that's going to be ammo get item count. So now this local variable we have that was equal to the amount of ammo in our map is now added to by the amount of ammo on the pickup. And now we can simply set that value in our ammo map. So we're going to say ammo map, and we're going to index it at ammo get ammo type. We're getting that element, and we're setting it equal to ammo count. And so for this, we'll have a comment and say, set the amount of ammo in the map for this type. So this is all what happens if the ammo map already contains this ammo type. Now, if we're carrying a weapon that uses this ammo type and the weapon's empty, it would be nice if we just automatically reloaded the weapon. We can easily do that by checking to see if we're carrying a weapon that uses this ammo type and if that weapon is empty. So we can say if equipped weapon get ammo type, and if that ammo type is equal to ammo get ammo type, well then we can check to see if this weapon is empty. Now remember, our weapon, if we go to weapon.h, it has a variable called ammo. Now let's scroll down to our public functions and see if there's a getter for it. And sure enough, there's a get ammo function. So here in our shooter character.cpp, we can check to see if the gun is empty. So let's make a comment to say check to see if the gun is empty. And we'll say if equipped weapon get ammo is equal to 0, then the weapon's empty, and we can simply try to reload the weapon. So we'll call reload weapon. And reload weapon will check to see if we have enough ammo, which we should now since we just added to our ammo count. Then it will reload the weapon. Now finally, once we've picked up the ammo, we can then destroy the ammo pickup. So let's go down to the bottom here and say ammo, and we can simply call destroy. And now that actor will be destroyed. We've already consumed that ammo. We don't need that actor anymore. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and compile this and we'll see how it works. Okay, we're back in the editor. Let's test this out. Now, if we hit play, what we can do is in the world outliner, we can search for shooter character. And we can select our instance in the world of the shooter character. Now in shooter characters details panel, let's search for ammo map. And we have ammo map, and it has 2 elements already in it. Now recall, we do this in begin play. Let's go back and look at shootercharacter.cpp and take a look at its begin play function. And in begin play, we call initialize ammo map. This is a function we created to initialize our ammo map with its initial values. And here's initialize ammo map. We take our ammo map and we use the add function to add key value pairs to it. We add some 9mm with our starting 9mm ammo amount, and we add some AR with our starting AR amount. And we can see that here in the editor with our ammo map item in the details panel showing 2 map elements with 85 and 120. Now, before we pick this up, we actually need to set on our blueprint that item count. So we'll go ahead and click stop, and we'll go to our ammo folder where we have our ammo 9mm BP, and here we can search the details panel for item count. That's that variable on the item class that keeps track of our count here. Now let's just give this a value, say 20, and compile and save. And now we can go back into our main editor here and press play. We can select shooter character from the world outliner, and here we see our ammo map. Now if we go and pick up this ammo here, it has a item count of 20, so we should see our 9mm ammo go from 85 to 105 as soon as we pick it up. Let's go ahead and give that a try. So we're getting close, so we're overlapping that area sphere. And looking at the ammo, I'm going to hit the E key, and there we go. I'm going to go ahead and shift F1 to get my mouse cursor so I can point out that 9mm has now gone up from 85 to 105. So our pickup ammo function is working. Perfect. That is going to be a conclusion for this video. In the next video, we're going to work on getting our ammo widget. Because notice, when we go up to a weapon and hover over it, we get a weapon widget. That's great, but our ammo does not have that. So we need the ammo to show us a widget so that we know what exactly we're going to pick up and how much ammo it has, and also which key we should press to pick it up, and so on. So let's go ahead and do that in the next video. We'll see you then.